In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted transaction on QuickBooks Online. If a transaction seems to have vanished, don't worry. QuickBooks Online keeps a record of changes so you can track what happened, when it happened, and who made the change. We'll use the audit log to quickly zero in on anything that's been deleted. Start by opening your QuickBooks Online company, then go to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This icon opens your settings and tools. From there, select Audit Log. If you don't see it, you may need the appropriate permissions from your company administrator because the audit log contains sensitive activity history. Once the audit log opens, you'll see a chronological list of actions that have occurred in the company file. This log records a wide range of events, but will narrow it down to deleted items so you don't have to sift through unrelated changes. Look for the Events drop-down filter near the top of the page. Open that menu and choose Deleted Transactions. This filter tells QuickBooks to show you only the entries where a transaction was removed. After you apply that filter, the list will refresh and display just the deleted transactions. You'll typically see useful details such as the date of the deletion, the transaction type, and the user who deleted it. These details help you confirm whether you're looking at the right item and understand the context of the change. To ensure you're seeing everything relevant, make sure to adjust the date range. Use the date controls at the top of the audit log to select when you want to search. If you're not sure exactly when a transaction was deleted, start with a broader range to cast a wide net. If you're confident about the timing, narrow it down to the specific day or week to get results faster. The list will update to reflect your chosen dates. That's all you need to do. Gear icon, audit log, set the events filter to deleted transactions, and refine the date range. Once you locate the deleted item, review the details shown in the log so you have the information you need for your records. Remember, the audit log is designed for tracking and transparency. It shows what changed, but it doesn't restore deleted items automatically. If this walkthrough helped you find what you were looking for, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and keep these filters in mind whenever you need a clear, reliable trail of activity in your QuickBooks Online file.